Traumatic brain injury recovery.
What advice do you have for brain injury survivors, for their family members, and what advice do you have for healthcare treaters?
Yes. Okay, so for the family, I would say there are resources out there, and there's a lot to take in, and clearly most families, and certainly the patients, become overwhelmed initially. But if they could slowly allow themselves to know about certain resources, such as a brain injury association, a support group, clinicians who enjoy doing this work and are within their network, and then start to kind of create their team of professionals to help their loved one or to help themselves get through this transition. You have to really have a team of trusted professionals, and it takes a while to accumulate that expertise. And then for the clinicians or people doing this work, the other advice I would have is stay humble, but dedicate yourself to the study of your patients and be okay with that. And to me, I really like the fact that I was trained as a scholar to be a professor. And the first day at UCLA in our graduate program, we were taught by my professor, who was a retired professor at that time, but he enjoyed teaching so much he continued to teach this one class. And he said, listen, you're all smart. I don't think I'm as smart as my colleagues, but you're all smart. There's no issue there. We're going to teach you the skills to really address your curiosity. So we want you to be curious, and over the next 5 to 7 years, let's make sure you have what you need to have in order to study those questions that will come up as you look at the research and do your clinical work. And so I like the idea of staying curious, and that rejuvenates me as I do this work every day.
Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video.